Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 26, 2020. Going to give you all this update in Bitcoin. Very crucial update just to understand how the market has played out since our last video, which was on May 22nd, 2020. We did a screenshot and showed everyone on Twitter why Bitcoin is showing us a lot of weakness. And we're going to talk about that on today's video as well. And then we're going to update you all on what we're expecting Bitcoin to go into the future. Okay, so make sure you hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to our channel, because we're one of the easiest locations to get an understanding of where the market trapper is trying to take this stock. I'm sorry, not this stock, but this cryptocurrency, where the market trapper is trying to take this cryptocurrency into the future. So you are at a good place, no doubt about it. The simplicity of our price chart, the simplicity of our speech, and how fast we're able to give you a forecast. You definitely want to make sure you subscribe to our channel. And then follow us on our website at HueFinancial.com. Join our community there, okay? All right, so like I stated earlier, our last video was done on May the 22nd for Bitcoin. And we were looking for the market to move higher in Bitcoin. We had our TP at $9,300 for Bitcoin. And you guys can see that right there on the 22nd, the market on Bitcoin made a high the next following day at 93.16. And then once again, the 24th, the market also came and hit 93.10. So you had ample amount of opportunity to grab the profit out of the market prior to this massive movement to the downside that occurred on the 24th. So $9,300 for our TP, 1.25%. All right, it goes like that sometimes. You know, just as long as you maintain profit and you get profit out the market, that is all that counts. And there will always be opportunities to where you'll get more profit out of this space. But for the time being, when we did that video, we understood that restriction was coming in around $9,300. So congratulations on those who was able to maintain that and get that out the space. And now I want to show you why we showed that screenshot in Bitcoin on Twitter. And this is the reason right here. Understand that Bitcoin is weak because of its inability of cracking and tagging above $10,000. Now, this is a lot of work that it took for Bitcoin to try to break above $10,000. 3 consecutive weeks, Bitcoin was unsuccessful at breaking that price. That is the first indication right there that Bitcoin is not as strong as what many people may expect. And then the following week, just this last completed week right here, Bitcoin closed on a low. So this ascending line that Bitcoin has been tracking ever since the week of the 16th of March is now in jeopardy of being broken. I'm just being honest with you. This is just how the market trades. And currently, based off the weekly time frame, I'm not looking for Bitcoin to see the move higher in price, because we have so many areas of restriction to play out now. And the volume had to increase substantially in order for us to come right back up to $10,000. Until that occurs, our premise is going to be for Bitcoin to move lower in price. So not only do we have Bitcoin hitting restriction at 10,000, it will now hit restriction at $9,600 and then 92. And we definitely need to see that volume appear in order for us to successfully crack those 3 levels of restriction. And we're not going to get that yet. Even here on the daily time frame, Bitcoin is finding $9,000 as restriction once again. So we are still in the realm of weakness into the market in Bitcoin. We're going to continue to play the forecast in Bitcoin to the downside in price. I'm not ignorant of the fact, though, that Bitcoin can still hold this ascending line. All right. So obviously, we would shed some of this profit off the market in Bitcoin around 86.50, 86.75. Okay. And that would be about, let's see, 2.29%. Okay. So we'll look at that. But from a weekly perspective, I won't be surprised to see the market in Bitcoin even come all the way down to $8,400. Okay. So we'll TP around 86.75. Initially, just shave a little bit off of the profit there. And then we're going to look for the market of Bitcoin to try to tag $8,400 as well. That's a pretty good area of support too in Bitcoin. So this is it. Simple to see, simple to understand. Don't make it as hard as it needs to be, and watch out for those who try to make it difficult for you to understand where prices are likely to go in the cryptocurrency space as well as in the stock market. All right, so make sure you maintain the profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.